In this video, I'll discuss geostationary satellite. Geostationary satellite. So, suppose that there is a satellite which is revolving around the Earth. For example, this is our Earth of mass m, radius of the Earth r, and the satellite's orbit is having radius small r, and this satellite of mass m is revolving in this orbit of radius r with a speed or velocity v0. We know that velocity, orbital velocity, will be under root of gm upon r, where m is the mass of the Earth. You remember, this is mass of the Earth, not the satellite. Basically, the mass of the planet around which this satellite is revolving. Okay, so now if a satellite is having time period of revolution 24 hours, then it is said to be geostationary satellite. Okay, so basically satellites should have the same time period. So in this case, we know the time period of the satellite is only 24 hours, so which can be converted into 24 into 60. This is into the minutes, and then into 60 minutes and seconds. So this is this much seconds. Okay, now extended part, application part, is that what should be the radius in which it should be revolving around the planet. So in order to calculate that value, it helps us, because we know that t is equal to 2 pi r by v, and this v can be substituted here under root of gm by r. So this can be written 2 pi r into r to the power 1 upon 2 upon under root of gm, and then we know that t is equal to 2 pi r to the power 3 by 2 upon under root of gm. So now this can be written here, r to the power 3 by 2 is equal to under root gm into t upon 2 pi. So the value of r can be here r will be is equal to t into under root of gm upon 2r to the power 2 by 3. That means r will be is equal to cube root of gm square, that means gm into t square upon, this is 4 pi square. Now you can clearly observe, we know the value of g, we know the mass of the Earth, we know the value of time period, 4 pi square is known. So now we can easily achieve the value of radius. You don't have to remember the formula, just you need to understand the logic that geostationary satellite should have the same time period, which is 24 hours. That's it. If you know that, then easily you can do the calculation for the radius. Okay, yeah.